Now, a Jamaican businesswoman placed in quarantine has been sharing her experience. Joanne Adams also has concerns for healthcare workers who have to be in contact with persons who are placed in quarantine facilities. Shamela Pullen has her story.
A dream trip to Italy turned out to be a nightmare for Kingston businesswoman Joanne Adams. Miss Adams left the island on February 17, but on her way back home, the news no one wants to hear.
I had gotten messages from my friends throughout my trip on my way back home, and they were basically saying, hey, watch out, Jamaica has Italy on high alert. And I said, okay, a little anxious, a little nervous, but I still came home, put down that I had traveled to Italy. I left there had left Italy the day before I arrived.
It's 4 days now since Miss Adams has been in quarantine. She has another 10 to go. She explains that life in quarantine is not easy, but while she counts down the days, she tries to adjust.
So I'm just trying to do the best I can, read a little bit, write a little bit, exercise a lot. Because I have a lot of energy and I have to find a way to expend it, because if not I'll go it'll be up in my head too much. So for anybody else right now who is also quarantined, I will tell you, boy, moving your body is one of the best ways to really help clear your mind and allow your mind to come to some terms.
However, while she said the Ministry of Health is doing all it can to prevent COVID-19 from entering the country, she's concerned for some healthcare workers.
I am concerned in here. I am concerned for the workers in here, because they are the ones who are in constant contact with all of us. And I am very, very, I follow safe practices for myself. But I'd like to see them really increase their own safe practices for their own personal health, because what happens when they leave here? Are they tested? They're around. If anybody here does potentially have the virus, then these workers are in it every single day. So I am concerned.
Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.